Greetings, Dr. King. This is Carl Krueger with my video post for Session 2. Regarding misconceptions I had about the Constitution prior to this class, I did not previously understand that judicial review was not firmly established with the founding of the Constitution, but it was not until Marbury versus Madison. I also did not understand the length to which Congress was involved in the creation of appellate and district courts and the different types of judges, the Article 3, Article 1, and even Article 2 judges. Also, one of the biggest misconceptions I had was how limited the Supreme Court is regarding jurisdiction, whether it be appellate or original jurisdiction, and how much authority was actually granted to the states regarding judicial courts, and just the span of authority. I also, regarding Supreme Court limitations, did not realize that the Supreme Court has to have an actual case or controversy, and the internal limitations of strict necessity, severability, assumption of constitutionality, and avoidance principles. Things I yet to learn or don't understand at this point about the system. Congress, do not understand what practices Congress takes to assure constitutionality of the legislation that Congress works on. Regarding the executive branch, I do not fully understand upon what authority the executive can call for military engagement without a congressional declaration of war. And regarding the Fourth Amendment, I don't understand how the NSA can do the search, what I would consider unlawful searches in violation of the Fourth Amendment. I don't understand how they can justify that. So that's some parts of our system I do not understand. Things I wish the founders had included, that's hard to say, because next to the Bible, the Constitution, I consider to be one of the most excellent documents of history. But I would have hoped that the founders could put some additional warning or clarifications regarding entitlements, because I believe our society, our government is utilizing entitlements to control the constituents. It's a matter of power and control. So, and also regarding the Second Amendment, I wish the framers had made it a little bit more clear. A well-regulated militia being necessary to the security of a free state tends to muddy up the waters regarding the right to bear arms, and we've seen that in some of the court cases regarding the Second Amendment. Appropriate method of interpreting the Constitution, I believe an originalist approach is best, with preference to historical literalism where we can, where practical. Opponents will say that this is not appropriate because of changing times. I would counter that the principles and human nature has not changed in that time, and so the concepts of limited government, checks and balances, and freedoms are still valid, just as when the ink was still wet. So I do reject the argument that we have to interpret the Constitution in a way that is ends justify the means to accomplish what moderns or progressives would attempt to accomplish with the Constitution. Other things I'd like to address about the class. I'm very curious about judicial activism. I felt that the text had a limited section on that, and I found a very lengthy list of judicial Supreme Court decisions at the Heritage Foundation website, and would like to learn more about those and try to learn more about the true nature of judicial activism. So, but I do enjoy the class very much, and thank you very much.